This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Give it up for the notification squad. These were the first 3 comments in my last video. If you want a chance to be featured, and make sure you hit that notification bell and come show your girl some love when I drop a new video. Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a mini update and redesign of these nails. These are the nails that I did with the Kiss Acrylic Kit, and as you guys can see, they are still on, still holding on strong. I've had these on for almost 3 weeks, so yeah, they have lasted. So I am going to use my e-file to take off the gel polish. I'm using a medium grit comb bit and my e-file, of course, and I will have links down to everything that I use down below. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take off the gel polish. And as you can see, I've gotten a ton of lifting on this nail. I usually never get lifting, but I did use the Kiss acrylic for this set, so it's not the best acrylic. But anyways, I'm just showing you guys how I'm going to take off that lifting, and I just do it with my e-file, and I just file a little bit behind it, and it kind of just, you know, pops off. But that is a very advanced technique, so if you aren't comfortable with the e-file, then just soak your nails off. Alright, so this is after getting all of the gel polish off, and I had some more lifting on my ring fingernail, and I went ahead and got that off. So now to my nail prep, I'm pushing back my cuticles. And with the opposite end, I'm just going to scrape up any of the dead skin that is on my nail plate. And as always, you got to get that stuff up or your nails will lift, or they will lift if you use cheap acrylic. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to go ahead and reshape these nails. After 3 weeks, the shape just gets kind of out of hand, so I want to crispen things back up. Alright, so this is after all of the prep and the filing. I also took down a lot of the acrylic because I'm going to be doing my version of the milk bath or smoothie nails, I guess. So these are all the items that I'm going to use. I got these dried flowers from Amazon. I'll be sure to link all of those down below. And I'm also going to use these Fimo fruit slice pieces. I got a big old bag of these, and I got these from Amazon as well. I'm using Glam and Glitz Milky White, and if you're interested in this, I do have a coupon code down below. And I'll be using the Nail Cakery Pastel Collection, and also Long Hair Pretty Nails Clear Acrylic. So I'm going to go in with my nail prep. I'm using the Gelish pH Bond. This is a nail prep and a dehydrator. And then I'm going in with the Harmony Pro Bond, and this is a non-acid primer. I have switched over to a non-acid primer, and I find that that has helped me keep my natural nails strong, so that's just my experience. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the purple pastel color from Nail Cakery. I believe this color is called Grape Taffy, and I'm just going to apply a nice wet thin coat over the entire nail. This is my first time using this acrylic, so I look a little sloppy, but I'm just getting used to it. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my ring fingernail, and I'm applying a thin wet layer of this pink. I forget what color this is, but I will list them all down below. So now that the pinky nail has had time to dry, I'm going to use some nail glue, and I'm going to apply my flowers and my fruit slice pieces. And when you encapsulate, you just want to make sure to keep everything as flat as possible. So once I get all of the items that I want on the nail, I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate. I'm using a mixture of the milky white, clear, and the purple color to kind of give that milky look. I didn't want to have a totally like white milky look. I wanted to kind of incorporate the colored pastels. I think it gives it a nice effect. So once I have the milky coverage the way that I want, like I don't want to totally cover everything, but I want it to look kind of streaky, if you will. Once I like the milkiness of my encapsulation, I just went ahead and applied clear to further build up the nail and the strength. And I pretty much repeat the same thing for all of the nails. So I couldn't decide which colors I wanted to use from the pastel collection because they are all so pretty. So I decided to do each nail a different color. This yellow is just so gorgeous. I just love how it looked with all the flower and fruit pieces on it. Honestly, I couldn't choose which color nail I like the most. I really like all of them. And once again, I just used a combination of the yellow, milky white, and clear to kind of get the milky consistency that I want. So this is after all of the acrylic is laid, and now I'm going to do my shaping and filing. Normally I start off with a hand file, but because of all of the fruit pieces and flowers, everything isn't totally flat. So it's just much faster to go ahead and start with the e-file, and then I did my normal routine afterwards. This is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed, and they are just so cute. Oh my god. Now I'm going in with my favorite gel top coat, which is the Poochie Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and I'm going to apply this to all of my nails. And before I cure, I'm applying some cuticle crystals because I just love a little bit of subtle bling now. These crystals are available on my website. I will leave the links down below. So after all of that, I went ahead and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm applying this cuticle oil that is also from the Nail Cakery. And this is the finished look. I love these nails. These are so cute. I know you guys have been seeing milk bath nails everywhere, and I just wanted to try it out. My last video I did it with polygel, and this time I wanted to try it out with acrylic, and I think these turned out so cute. I love these nails, and I think I'm gonna keep these on for at least a couple weeks.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.